What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time watching, my name is Viet, otherwise known as F8x Ho. I invite you to subscribe, drop a like on the video, it really helps out, and follow me for future content, and also give me a follow on Instagram. It's my boy Aston. In today's video, I'm going to give you guys a couple garage updates and let you guys know where the mods that I have on order are, give you guys an update on that. But yeah, today should be a quick video, so stay tuned. Alright, to start in the garage, as you guys know, I've had these 3 LED lights over on that side of the wall for the longest time since we moved in. And then I've also had these 3 LED lights on this side of the garage. But just recently I ordered 8 more, so I put 2 right here under the flags, under the Dolphins banner, under the M flag, and then I put 6 more above the M3 while it's parked. So when it's illuminated, it just shines over the car and it looks so badass. So let me turn that on for you and give you a preview of that. This shit is so bright. Sheesh. So as you guys can see, these LEDs look sick. I mean, it just brightens up the whole garage. Now I basically have all the walls covered when it comes to a lighting aspect, besides the garage doors of course, but man, it looks like a showroom in here. My car, and you can see the paint. It's dirty right now, but you can see the paint, and look at that, the glare, the reflections, looks sick. So these are the Barina LED lights, if you guys remember. For all of the lights in the garage, all of these, I think I paid around $100 total out the door, which is just a steal because they illuminate the garage so much. They're so easy to mount and put up. Even the ones on the roof, I used a drywall anchor of course, but the ones on the wall are just simple screw, and it's super easy to put up. Highly recommend these lights. I mean, it's a game changer for sure. Fuck, it looks like a showroom. Looks so sick in here now. It's gonna be dope for detailing, of course, after washes or one day when I paint correct my car, you know what I mean? Looks crazy. Look how bright it is. I think the camera actually can pick up what it looks like in person. The garage doors are closed right now, but if I open those up, it would be even more brighter in here. But it just looks so sick. Alright, garage update number 2. If you guys remember before, I had that black piece of furniture from IKEA laid flat over here, and I had a bunch of stuff stacked on top of it, and then I had all my other car stuff in boxes over here. But we finally got some organization cabinetry from Lowe's. This whole unit right here cost me $75. I can't even believe the price for that because I think that's a steal. I got these shelving cabinets for storage. All my car parts are in here. All my tools and stuff are in there as well. All of this for like $100. I mean, that's a steal if you ask me. As you guys know, I've wanted to keep this whole garage set up, my home office, man cave, and home gym super clean, super organized, and that was my goal before we moved in. And this shelving cabinetry for, you know, $75 is definitely helping with that. I got my car wash stuff down here. I got some spare car parts in the KW box. I got some cleaning supplies, some miscellaneous stuff, some detailing products, cleaning products. I got my tools in there, miscellaneous like microfibers in there, and then just random assortment of bags and other miscellaneous stuff, but it all fits on this rack. Super clean, super organized. This man never leaves me alone. But yeah, I love this shelving unit. I'd highly recommend it. Again, you get it for $75 at Lowe's, or Home Depot probably has the same thing, but it stores everything that I need for now. I even got some spare car parts up there, and it just prevents it from just lying around in the corner like my FCP box that I have to return soon, but it just prevents it from looking all cluttered on the garage floors and keeps it super clean. Alright, the third update, which you guys might have seen in the last videos, we finally got a garage mirror for the home gym, which is such an upgrade from the little skinny mirror that we were using from my girlfriend. Again, this I also got from Lowe's for I think 50 bucks or something, and you just mount it up using some drywall anchors similar to the lights on the ceiling. Super easy DIY if you want to do it yourself. And now that is a pivotal thing that we needed in the home gym that we were missing out on. I think it's like a 4x6 or something like that, and it's dope. We'll eventually upgrade and get more when we get another setup over here. So we'll probably have 2 mirrors side by side, but for now this will do just fine. Alright, update number 4 for the garage is actually this tennis ball. You're probably wondering what the hell is that, and it's actually a retractable tennis ball setup that I made using fishing line and some ceiling hooks. Shout out to the 2 guys on YouTube that showed me how to do that. Basically what happens is when the garage door is raised up, the ball goes down, so when I'm pulling in my car, I know exactly where to stop because I pull my car in forward. With this narrow garage, it makes it a lot easier, and I know where to stop. And then when I close the garage door, how it is now, the ball retracts up. I mean, I was pretty impressed with this little DIY. I thought it was a lot cleaner than having the ball hanging here all the time. And again, we're going for the clean setup here, as you guys know, in this garage. So I was pretty impressed with myself. We tied some fishing line to the edge of one of these things on the garage. And then we have an anchor right there, and then another anchor right there, and it just pulls it back like a pulley system basically. And I think it's super dope, super clean for basically costing me nothing, because I have tennis balls lying around the house and I had fishing line that I used to take off 3M and carbon fiber stuff, you know what I mean? So all this stuff and the hooks I had in my storage as well, so it was free. It was super easy, and I'll show you guys how it works in just a second. Alright, we're gonna show you how the tennis ball works. I'm gonna open the garage, and as you guys see, the tennis ball is retracting downwards or lowering downwards. And then I'm gonna go ahead and close it. And now it's retracting back up to the ceiling, all on its own. So dope. It's the simple DIY mods that, you know, impressed me the most. So I'm super happy with that turnout. Alright, the last and final update that I have for you guys is we actually got a dash cam for the car. It actually starts recording the second my car is opened or turns on, and it's actually super dope. It shoots in 1080p or 2K. I got it for $100 off Amazon, and it was one of like the best sellers. I didn't want to spend Blackview money at the moment, and this little thing does the trick so well. It has the rear camera, which I'll show you how I did in a second, right here in the top left corner, and then I have the front camera that's always recording when the car is on at all times. Super dope setup, super easy to hide the wires and stuff in the headliner of our cars. I can show you how I did that maybe in another video, but overall I'm super impressed with this little $100 dash cam. I have the other one set up really cleanly. See if this will focus, right there in the back. And again, I hid all of it and the headliner above the windows, so you don't see any wires anywhere. You see a little bit up here because I had to tuck it into the mirror, but it doesn't bother me that much. I don't see it while I'm driving. And then the next thing I'm gonna get for the inside is definitely a hardwire kit for my radar detector, so I can hardwire it into this mirror, and then this dangling wire will be gone, and that'll look super clean. But yeah, super happy, finally have a dash cam just in case we encounter any idiot drivers on the road. Always want to protect yourself. So yeah, as you guys can see, it's always running. Wanted to correct myself, it's actually recording front and rear at all times if the car is on or in accessory mode. And the quality is amazing. For 100 bucks, 1080p or 2K, it's in 1080p mode right now. I mean, the quality is amazing, I think, for the price. Super happy with it, and it's good to finally know that I'll be, you know, protected just in case we encounter any idiot drivers on the road, especially for insurance purposes. Lately I've been watching a lot of montages of idiot drivers cutting people off, hit and running people, and the drivers that have dash cam footage always have, you know, themselves protected when it comes from an insurance standpoint. So I definitely wanted this. I've had a couple of friends of mine on Instagram who have had run-ins with the police or just idiot drivers or even just nature, and the dash cam footage saved them because I don't know if insurance would believe them without, you know, that footage. So definitely helps out. So yeah, hopefully we don't ever have to witness like an accident or obviously something happening to this car, but now we know we're protected, and it's super easy. It comes with a 32 gigabyte memory card that you can just upload to the computer, just like a GoPro, and you can sort through the footage or just clear it out if you want to. Super easy, super user friendly. I actually, if it'll focus, I tucked the wires up here under the mirror plastic above this headliner, and then ran it over here, and then there's this rubber, you can't see it right now, but there's rubber right here that goes under the headliner, and I just ran it all the way back into the rear camera, which you see right there. Super easy. And then the master wire I actually ran down here through this rubber headliner, through this plastic trimming down here, and then it comes out super clean over here where I just plug it in, and the wires are pretty tucked back there. And it's super clean. There's still a USB available as well, so super happy with the turnout. Again, the next thing I need to get, which is like 15 bucks, is a hardwire kit for my radar detector. I'll get to that eventually. I've been so lazy about it. It's only $15, so I definitely need to purchase that next. Just wanted to give you guys an update on the dash cam. Highly recommend one. Not even just this one, just to get one just to cover your back. You never know when you're gonna need it. Alright, that's going to do it for updates with the garage and the car. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I want to let you guys know where my Active Auto Work equal length mid pipe is, as well as my Michelin 4S rear tires that I ordered from Tire Rack like a month ago. I'm in communication right now with the guy from Tire Rack, and he said that my tires should be arriving tomorrow. But at this rate, who knows? They've been delayed so much, but I mean, hopefully I can take his word for it and they'll be delivered tomorrow. That way we can mount them up, get it aligned, and have some confidence on the road again, because these rear tires are toast. So hopefully those arrive soon. As for my equal length mid pipe order, I've actually heard back from Active, and they said that my mid pipe actually might be getting shipped out this week. So fingers crossed for that. Stay tuned for updates in future videos, but that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for next week's video. I think I'm gonna do a walk around on every mod that I've ever done so far to my F8. So stay tuned for that. I wanna thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on next week's video. Peace.